What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a Starbucks video for you. So Starbucks came out with some new drinks and didn't tell me, and I'm a little upset about it. So I went to Starbucks the other day just to get, like, it was after work and I just wanted my strawberry refresher, and I go and it's like something about summertime, sun, whatever, I don't know, and it was like 3 new drinks, and I was like, oh, wait. So I went on the app and there was nothing but 1 drink on there, and I was like, what does that mean? So I went to like the people that work at Starbucks and I was like, hey, I hear you have new drinks, like I'm just curious about them, like they know I do videos and everything. And he was like, they postponed 2 of them until the 7th, but there is one out now, so we're gonna try it today. It is the cold brew with the dark cocoa almond milk foam. There's people passing me, hold on. Okay. So I love all the cold foam drinks because I love the foam. I don't know what it is. It's so freaking good. And I love chocolate or cocoa, whatever. So I really want to try it. I've tried a couple of the cold brews before. It kind of just tastes like straight up coffee, obviously. So like I kind of know what to expect. The only thing that is different is the foam, which I'm so excited. I just can't wait to try it. So, if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for future. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go to Starbucks.
Carla, what's in here for you today?
Hey, I have a pickup order for Hannah.
Awesome. We're working on it right now. You need anything else today?
That's it.
Alrighty, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay. I'm excited. Thank you.
Well.
Thank you. Bye. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so here we have the drink. The foam is actually stirred into this one, so I'm kind of sad because I can't just taste the foam, which is really sad, but I'm still excited to see what it tastes like. Let me roll up my window so you don't hear the cars outside, even though it's freaking hot outside. So I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous now that the foam's just not chilling on the top. Does it usually chill on the top? I swear it usually does. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine, fine. Okay, ready? I don't taste it. I don't even taste it. I just taste the strong coffee taste. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I see it was in there though, because like the sides of it, you could tell it was mixed in, but I can't taste it. It literally just tastes like straight up coffee. Like I don't taste any almond milk, chocolate, nothing. It just tastes like coffee, which is not bad, but I was expecting chocolate. And my heart was set on it, so I'm sad. So I'm gonna have to rate it a 1 out of 10, but it's not the drink's fault, obviously, because it wasn't on the top. So that's a little sad and depressing because now we don't know exactly what the foam tastes like, and I can't tell you guys what it really tastes like because I really just tasted coffee and I really didn't taste any almond milk or chocolate or anything. So that's really sad, but it's okay. If you like the cold brews, I suggest going to try it because I've tried like 5 of them, I think. I tasted a pumpkin version, the regular version, the salted version. There was another one I tried. I don't remember which one it was. And then this one. So I've tried a couple of them, and I totally suggest if you like cold brew, definitely go trying them because why not? It's literally like $4 and it's coffee and it'll keep you energized for the rest of the day. So that's a plus. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me down below if you've tried it already, because I think it's been out for like a couple days now. So definitely tell me if you tried it, if you like it, what your thoughts on it are. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.